Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of March 10th through the 17th in my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner using this anti-stress kit by SweetKawaiiDesign. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I am so excited you decided to join me today, and I hope you'll stick around for more crafting content from me. If you're interested in seeing what I plan in, I do plan in a lot of different planners, from this planner, which is my health and wellness planner, to lots of other different kinds of planner content and crafting content. So check out the description box below if you are interested in seeing what I plan in. But this week is all about anti-stress. I have been very stressed recently, and I thought this kit was just absolutely perfect for this week. So this is what the kit looks like. It comes with 5 different sheets here if you get the entire kit. And I'm going to try my best to use this entire kit. We will see what happens. But I also included some washi. So this is plant-themed washi that kind of matches the colors of the kit here. And it is just a bunch of different kinds of succulents and plants. And then this like grid washi that I got from Temu. So that is what we're going to be using today for this spread. But let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, so if you guys saw last week's video, then you know that I continued Sunday the 10th with this kit because I wanted to have similar pages on Sunday and Monday. So that's why last week I did not continue it into the next week. That's why I didn't do all the way to the end of that week, if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm confusing. So I'm going to kind of use a different date sticker because obviously this is meant for 1 week and I'm adding an extra day. So I have this Shine Sticker Studio Sunday date sticker from my from the washi that she has, but it was in my sticker stash just because I hadn't used that one for some reason. So I thought it would be perfect to use for that. And I'm honestly just going to be kind of playing around with where I want everything to go in these spreads. So I'm going to add some of this plant washi to both pages, add the little full box stickers just to figure out if I like how they look. And of course I like to add a this week and next week sticker to the spreads if the kit comes with them, just so that I can keep track of my goals and things for the week. So this kit does come with a this week sticker, so I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to add some of these motivational like anti-stress things. So there's get crafty, there's let's go on a walk or get some exercise or whatever, take a nap, listen to music, lots of different things. So I've decided to add get crafty to Monday since I'm probably going to be crafting a lot, editing a lot on Monday anyway. Then we'll move on to Tuesday, Wednesday. Again, I'm just adding some washi down, and this kit actually comes with some of these headers, and I decided to use those as little strips of washi in this kit because I know I'm not going to be using this kit after I'm done with it, so I thought I would use it up as much as possible. And I decided to not add a little sticker on Wednesday and combine Tuesday and Wednesday stickers together on Tuesday here. So you can see I've got the plant clusters and then the quote here, but I decided that Wednesday, since the kit has a lot of these little plant stickers, I was just going to make them, like cluster them together at the bottom and make that the little sticker scene in there. And we move on to Thursday, Friday, and again I'm just going to add a ton of different stickers to the page. I'm going to add some washi. Like I said, I'm kind of just playing around with how I like it, and I'm trying to make the pages as even as possible as far as like decoration here. So I'm adding bits and pieces to the spread as I go, but mainly just adding decoration right now, the basics pretty much. So I'm going to be using as you see in each page, I add at least 1 box, if not 2. I try and add 2, but I have to have a little box to write down if I have any medications for the day, and also if I need to, like when I'm tracking my food, I also have to have a box for that. So like I said, I try to do 2 boxes, but sometimes I'm just not going to be able to do 2. I'll only get 1 in there, but that's okay. Alright, Saturday and Sunday are very fun because it's the weekend, and I'm going to do a lot of beautiful self-care in this one because I was waiting to use that Note to Self-Relax sticker for Sunday. So I'm going to add that here. And then I'm going to make a little list for next week. It's not going to say next week because the kit doesn't have a sticker that says next week, but it does have a sticker that says just breathe. And I like Sundays to be my reset, like my mental reset day anyway. So I thought that would be a good little reminder for me in my spread this week. And now that I am finished with the basis of the spread, I'm going to go back through and add the rest of the deco that I have left over, see if any of the pages are missing anything, if they need any kind of touch-ups or anything like that. I'm adding that now. Very easy for me to do these spreads now just because I have really gotten a hang of how much space I'm going to need in each spread. I will probably go back later and add breakfast, lunch, and dinner stickers to the spread just as like little headers because I did not do that last week and I found myself being very lost and confused when I wanted to separate things. So yes. And honestly, that's pretty much it. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my health and wellness planner using the anti-stress kit by SweetKawaiiDesign. I love using these kits. I think they're so fun. And like I said, when I was making the spread, it's a lot easier for me to start out with like the basis, the washi, the date covers, some boxes, and the deco, and then go back through and continue that. And now that I know how much room I need to have to work with each day, it's a lot easier for me to create these spreads, so hopefully they're getting a little less long for you guys to watch. And I absolutely love creating these. They're so much fun, and they definitely give me a sense of calmness whenever I go through them and I see that they're decorated. It makes me very happy. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, once again, don't forget to check out the description box below. There are different playlists related to each category of crafting and planning for you guys to see, as well as the different PRs and affiliates that I'm on. It is in my link tree, which is also in the description box. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you do like this content, please don't forget to subscribe because it really does help me out and it lets me know that you're interested in seeing more from what I post. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.